When your garage door starts acting up, you don't have time to wait. Peak Garage Door Repair Services brings fast, reliable solutions for homeowners who need real results. We specialize in garage door repair. Rocklin, offering everything from routine garage door service to detailed garage door opener repair and new opener installation. Keep your home safe and your door running smoothly with Peak Garage Door Repair Services, the trusted choice for garage door repair. Rocklin.